In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana, the basics, views, and key features. First, let's get comfortable with the core building blocks you'll use every day. Your workspace is the overall area where your work lives, like the digital home for your team or personal projects. Inside your workspace, you'll create projects which act like containers for related work, whether that's a product launch, a content plan, or a personal to-do list. Within each project, you'll add tasks, which are the individual action items. And when a task has multiple parts, break it down with subtasks to make the work easier to manage step by step. Now, let's create a simple project to practice. Choose a clear name so you can recognize it later and start with a blank layout so you can learn the basics without distractions. Once your project is created, open it and get ready to add a few tasks. Think of 3 to 5 items you want to track. For each task, give it a concise title that starts with a verb like draft outline or collect assets, then set a due date. Due dates help you prioritize, and Asana will surface approaching deadlines to keep you on track. If a task feels too big, add subtasks right inside the task to divide the work into manageable pieces. Next, explore different ways to view your project. The list view shows tasks in a simple, structured list that's great for quick editing. Switch to board view to organize tasks as cards in columns, perfect for stages like to do, in progress, and done. Open the calendar view to see your tasks spread across days and weeks, making it easier to spot conflicts or overloaded days. Finally, try the timeline view for a visual schedule of tasks over time, which is especially helpful when you want to understand dependencies and overall pacing. As you work, keep your tasks updated. Use comments to share progress or ask clarifying questions so everything stays in one place. Attach files directly to tasks, such as briefs or images, to avoid hunting through emails, and update each task's status by marking it complete when it's done or adjusting its details as plans evolve. This habit keeps your project accurate and trustworthy. When you're ready to go deeper, experiment with Asana's advanced features. Try rules to automate routine actions, forms to collect standardized requests, goals to align your work with measurable outcomes, and dashboards to visualize progress at a glance. Practicing these features on your simple project will help you understand how they fit together and prepare you to scale up confidently.